In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create RPA in AdsPower. To get started, open the AdsPower application on your computer and wait for it to load fully. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the RPA tab. This is where AdsPower lets you build automated workflows that can handle repetitive browser-based actions more efficiently. After that, select Processes, then click the Create Process button. This will open the workspace where you can start building your automation from scratch. In the configuration panel on the right side, enter a clear and descriptive name for your automation sequence. It's a good idea to choose a name that reflects what the process actually does, so it's easier to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple workflows. Next, begin adding your action blocks from the panel on the left. You can select, drag, or click blocks such as web actions, key and mouse controls, or wait steps, depending on the kind of automation you want to build. Once you've chosen the blocks you need, place them onto the central grid canvas. From there, arrange and connect the blocks in the exact order you want them to run. This sequence is important because your automation will follow the flow you create step by step. After the blocks are laid out, configure the required details for each one. That can include website URLs, text inputs, or CSS selectors, depending on the action being performed. Take your time here, because accurate settings are what make the workflow run smoothly. You'll also need to decide how the automation should respond if something goes wrong. Choose whether the script should skip over an error and continue, or stop execution entirely. The right option depends on how critical each step is in your process. Once everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner to lock in your custom workflow. And that's how to create an RPA process in AdsPower.